Vortex weather here, and today we're going to be going over the flood threat in California and how this is going to affect the rest of the United States within the next month. On the models, there are multiple waves of this rain, snowy mess heading into California, going over the Rockies, and then organizing possibly into severe weather and snow, maybe. Depends on the intensity of the storms as they impact the west coast. Caused by a certain pattern in the jet stream that is more stabilized until it has a slight bump per se in it, which leads to kind of a ripple effect with these storms as repeated rounds slam into the western coast, go over the Rockies, lose some of their energy, and then dump all of their energy across the eastern United States in the form of rain or snow. This is expected to continue over the next few weeks as these storms continue to expel their energy on California and mainly the southeastern United States up into the east coast. This is supposedly going to continue on until late January, take a small pause possibly, and then resume into February. That's at least what it looks like right now. This could possibly change into the future. The biggest threat with these storms is definitely going to be the flooding. Already in California, we have seen historic amounts of flooding with, I think around 3 storms that have so far made landfall over there. And even these lead to severe weather, possibly in the south, with the most recent tornado outbreak, January 3rd, which led to around 50 tornadoes. I'm not saying this is going to happen with the next one, but there is definitely a severe weather threat with a day 4 slight risk issued by the National Weather Service. By the end of the model runs is suggesting around anywhere from 4 to 10 inches, maybe even more in higher elevations across the entirety of California, and even maybe over 4 inches max, I think, in the South United States, mainly due to the train of storms that is passing over that area throughout January. As for the higher elevations, there's actually a lot of snow expected in the mountains around the California area, with possibly up to multiple feet of snow falling in total over the next few weeks in the mountains. As troughs or storms make landfall as well, they are going to affect areas of Oregon and Washington also with rain, but not nearly to the extent of California. But it's still something to watch, as they could possibly get a few inches as well in total amount from all of these storms, since there's so many. This is expected to arrive in the form of waves with about 4 inches, let's say just 4 inches of rain falling per storm, and 10 inches of snow in the mountains. And you could see how this can lead to various problems as multiple storms come and possibly cause avalanches, mudslides, flash flooding. But there is a benefit to all of this, and that is the fact that it is shrinking the drought, the extensive drought that is going on in California, which that can help in the future prevent wildfires, but again, it is a very small but noticeable change. Sorry if my voice kind of sounds a bit, I guess, quiet. It is my first time recording kind of like a voiceover of a video, so it's kind of unusual, but I hope that this will get better in the future, and there are some changes coming to the channel. This is one of them, and there will be music in the background as well if you haven't heard it already. And I hope to also improve the editing on my videos. So that is going to be it for today. If you liked it, I guess you liked the video, and if you want, sub. I'm not really in control of that, but anyways, bye.